Some Gmail messages contain a small tracking image. As soon as the image loads, the sender may know that the message has been opened. And keep in mind that the risk isn't just that they know you opened the message. If it's a spam or scam email, loading the image may confirm to the sender that your account is active and that you read their messages. So they may target you with more emails afterward. Gmail does protect your device information and location and scans images, but it doesn't prevent senders from knowing that a message was opened in every case. To control this, follow these steps with me. Open Gmail. Tap the 3 lines at the top. Scroll down and select Settings. Tap your Gmail account. Scroll down to the Data Usage section. And tap Images. Change. Always display external images to ask before showing. From now on, external images won't load without your permission. If you trust the message and want to see its images, tap Show Pictures. This setting doesn't block messages or delete images, and it also saves mobile data. If you have more than one Gmail account, repeat these steps for each account separately. Finally, if this information was new to you, please write "first time" in the comments. If you already knew it, write "old information." And don't forget to like and subscribe, because Gmail's most dangerous settings are often the ones running without you noticing.